Are you struggling to find that perfect balance between your work life and your personal well-being? Me too. It's a work in progress. Discover how boundaries, mindfulness, and physical health can transform your business and your life. I'll share some powerful insights that empower you to achieve sustained success without burning out. I'll be right back. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach, also known as the Introvert Whisperer. I record and post inspirational and useful business content here because I believe mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Welcome back. So today we're diving into a topic that is essential for every entrepreneur, balancing work and self-care while prioritizing mental health. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle-bustle and forget to take care of ourselves, right? We can just go, and inadvertently neglect to take care of ourselves. But maintaining your well-being is very critical for sustained success in business. Let's explore some actionable strategies to help you prioritize self-care in your entrepreneurial journey. First, let's talk about why it's important to balance work and self-care. As entrepreneurs, we often push ourselves to the limit, wearing our busy schedules as a badge of honor. You know what I mean, right? But without adequate self-care, burnout isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Your business is only as healthy as you are. By prioritizing your well-being, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and happiness. So, how do we do this? Well, let's start with boundaries. An effective way to ensure balance is by setting clear boundaries with yourself first. Define your work hours, stick to them. Use time blocking for your vital tasks and priorities. I have different time blocks for specific priorities I have. For example, I have time blocks for writing and creating, recording content, even education and development. This is very valuable for me because if I go to schedule something on one of my time blocks, I know I need to move the block to another time or day. It keeps the priority in front of mind. It's important to create a clear separation between your work and personal lives, even if you work from home. You can do this in your schedule and in your physical space. In my schedule, I have a specific routine that begins and ends each workday. At the end of the workday, following my routines, of course, it's personal time, no exception. I also have a separate office space to work in, so there is a clear division between the two. If I need to do work after hours, I have to perform it in my workspace, not at the dining room table. Know what I mean? Setting these boundaries and creating these routines helps you wind down and recharge after a productive day, preventing work from bleeding into your personal time. Next, I suggest you incorporate mindfulness practices of some sort into your daily routines. Meditation is a profound practice that can significantly enhance your well-being. This can be as simple or as complex as you want, but dedicate time each day to quiet your mind, focus on your breath or a mantra, and being in the present moment. There's no shortage of meditation practices that can support you, both spiritual and non-spiritual. This daily investment in mindfulness can improve mental clarity, focus, reduce stress and anxiety, and empower you to navigate your entrepreneurial responsibilities with calm and grace. Now, let's talk about daily devotionals and gratitude practices. Incorporating daily devotionals, chanting, affirmations, and gratitude practices can seriously alter and reframe your mindset, which could provide you a sense of purpose and positivity. Reflecting on what you are thankful for, and more importantly, why, opens your heart and enhances emotional resilience, which is crucial for overcoming the ups and downs of the entrepreneurial journey. Remember, what we focus on multiplies, positive or negative. So, why not focus on gratitude and positivity, right? I encourage you to start each day by acknowledging simple joys and victories. You get an extra bonus for sharing and receiving this with others. I find that sharing my gratitude and reading others often multiplies my sense and experience of gratitude. It's a win-win for everybody. Before we continue, I want to invite you to be part of our growing community focused on well-being and entrepreneurship. DM join and I'll add you to our mailing list where we share tips, stories, and resources on balancing your work and personal life. Take this step towards prioritizing your well-being and let's support each other on this journey. We can't do it alone. Journaling. Next up is journaling. It's an excellent way to process emotions, emotional baggage, and track your progress. Take a few moments regularly to write down your thoughts, goals, and reflections. This practice can lead to increased self-awareness and serve as a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. I recently learned a simple formula to use with journaling: facts, feelings, and faith. So I'll write about an experience, the facts, I'll share my feelings, and then reflect on it to see what I can learn about it from my intuition or my higher self. It always brings me back to positivity. Nurturing your mind through reading and study is another essential way to keep your skills sharp and your ideas fresh. Explore diverse materials beyond your immediate field, be it books, articles, seminars, podcasts, or videos, to inspire creativity and innovation. Go for what you're passionate about and go deeply into it. I heard one time that the more one learns, the more one earns. I love that because I love to learn and grow. So challenge yourself to learn continuously, fueling both your personal development and your entrepreneurial vision. Don't forget your physical health as part of your self-care routine. This should be at the top of our priorities. We cannot be effective personally and professionally if we are not healthy. This includes regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep. These are vital components that support your physical and mental health. Think of physical activity as a stress reliever and a mind sharpener, directly impacting how you handle your entrepreneurial challenges. And don't hesitate to seek support when you need it. Connect with fellow entrepreneurs or mental health professionals who understand the unique stresses of running a business. There are a multitude of stressors that we encounter every day on our journey, and without a way to vocalize them, process them, or gain perspective on them can seriously impact our mental health and well-being. Sharing experiences and challenges can provide new perspectives and offer the encouragement needed to tackle tough days. Balancing work and self-care is not only possible but imperative. By setting boundaries, integrating mindfulness, and seeking support, you can maintain good mental health and enhance your entrepreneurial journey. Self-care is a non-negotiable part of success. Don't forget, DM me Join to be added to our mailing list. Let's continue supporting each other in creating a balanced and fulfilling life. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking for a limitless future. Now, watch this awesome video about the birth of the Bowtie Coach. Thanks for watching. Bye! Remember, your business is only as healthy as you are. Don't forget your... Where did that extension cord go? Somebody stole my extension cord. What's this? There's my extension cord. Welcome back! No, that sucks. Now, watch this awesome video about the